Yo, we're heading to the Wind River Range, just south of the Tetons, southeast. Only about an hour drive. It's almost 3 o'clock. I haven't done a whole lot today. Got groceries. Went and drove through the Tetons again. Did some journaling, trying to figure out the next few days where I need to be. Got to be in Salt Lake on the 17th for a concert. Yeah, today's been one of them days you don't do a whole lot, and that's alright. Been wearing my barefoot shoes to hike, and I think my feet are just getting used to it, but they're sore, so I'm not going to do too much today. I've also been on this road before, back in my 2022 trip on my way home. This is the way I took to Rock Springs, and then I stayed the night in Rock Springs and drove, I think it was 16 hours home. Maybe 18 from Rock Springs back to Iowa. We're not doing that this time, we're going the other way. Moose. Cool. Let's see if we can. It's a bowl. Very good, very good. Work on a video a little bit, stretch, meditate, go to bed. Make life how you want it to be. Peace. Morning. It is the second biggest lake in Wyoming. 9 miles long, a mile wide, and 600 feet deep. I should go swim in it. I don't think I'm gonna hike much today. My feet are sore a little bit. I don't want to just make them worse and keep having the same issue over and over again. But I'm gonna drive up to the trailhead anyways, and maybe I can just go hike, set up my hammock or something, chill out. Shit, that's a big lake. This is the Wind River Range. Beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm done being a bitch. We're going for a hike. Because I might as well. I'm out here. Taking an apple, some beef jerky, and some double chocolate granola. Which one I need to take, but we're gonna go left. Fuck it. I love how they force you so hard to clean up your dog shit on the trail. But that huge mound of fucking horse shit right in the middle of the trail. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. These are kind of in my way. No, they're not. 3.12 miles in, it's about 4.6 to the top. It's a good lookout that I'm going to. I am on the right trail. Pretty sure there's a moose out there. Oh, yep. See water. A 4.2 mile hike up to here. It's not too bad. I think you climbed just over 1,000 feet. This view is crazy. This Wind River Range is so unique. Talked to a few people that are coming out of there. They spent the last few days in there. Just wild. I need to be doing that. Home sweet home again. Definitely recommend the hike. I didn't say I was gonna hike today. Ended up hiking just under 10 miles. Funny how that works. I think I'm gonna find me a nice burger to eat.